easy when you out here breaking generational curses. People with no soul being around it make me feel nervous. If you study real history, you know why they wanna curse us. Why they out trying to hurt us? No more church service.
What's up, YouTube? And as you can see from the title of the video, today I'm gonna do my very first SHEIN unboxing U-Haul. Why do I call it U-Haul? Today I'm gonna do my very first SHEIN haul, so I'm so excited. This is my first time shopping with them, so let's unbox this baby, okay? And the shipping was so quick, I ain't even gonna lie. I think I ordered it like 1 week and it came like the next week. So we're gonna see. And I ain't even gonna lie, I was a little skeptical of the prices, but I had knew a few people who already ordered from them. Okay, some shoes. So all right, y'all. So I'm gonna be back to try this on. Well, since this is here, I got these cute slides. They're so cute. Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna have to come back and show you guys what this looks like in a minute. Okay, I'm back here. I love this. This is so cute.
You want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. The young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye bye yo, to the love of my life. My eye yo, don't cry yo. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. Everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did when you buy it. Without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl. I no go feed the girl insult, though. I'm a mind that's you can talk, though. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know only. And I know that they're both like the Baba Frayo. My ayo, don't cry yo. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow.
I like it, but it has a hole in it. I'm not gonna show y'all where it's at, but me and SHEIN, we about to. No, I'm just gonna exchange it because I would like them.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did when you buy it.
And I'm about to start with it, but so I'm gonna tie it around my head. Ooh. I got to tie it. See, and you can adjust this. I love it because you can do it if you're not feeling sexy. You can like Miss Daisy, like your iron, or you can just wow. Amaze the crowd. So this came with a black and white one. It was a set.
I did what I got when them kills over my. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. I feelings with this swing like Django Lover. Feelings with this swing like Django Lover. Now you rush your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make with that feel all over. My feelings with this swing like Django Lover. Feelings with this swing like Timberlake at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timberlake at you. I'm a
night is cool. What we doing? Night. What you doing? What is you doing? Alright. These are my workout fits. I saved them for last. You don't see no. You just had me. This is my. I really got everything for this. Motion. Work it up. Come on. Me, I'm a gym. Really. Listen. Mommy. Work it up. Come on. I like it. I'm bloated right now because I'm on this cycle. So please. Girls ain't gonna move. I love this one. I thought the other one was my favorite. That was my workout clothes anyway. Love this. I ain't even cap. So yes. Motion. All right, and this concludes my SHEIN haul, and I would give it a 10. No, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 because one of my items had a hole in it. But we gonna see. I might change that to a 10 out of 10 if they make this a smooth process for me to get another one, because I like the fit. I just want another one that's got a hole in it. So everything was true to size for me. Follow the size chart size guide. I have measuring tape, so I measure everything. Just because you're a small in one thing does not mean you're gonna be a small in the next one. You might be a medium one thing, you might be a large in another one. That's how it is for me. Some of the stuff is small, some of them medium, some of them large. Some of them might be an 8.5 inch shoe. Some might be 9, 10. Follow that chart, follow that guide. I promise you everything fits to the seat. Okay. I'm feeling this one. I ain't even gonna lie. This is my favorite one. My favorite workout fit. I like how it feels and I like how it fits. It feels really good. All right, what you thought? Did you like? Did you share? Did you subscribe? So no, you can't leave this video. I'm holding you hostage till you like my video, you share it with somebody, and you subscribe if you're not already doing so. And if you already subscribed, send it to somebody that hasn't, and then we keep going, okay? Okay, and if you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure you drop a comment down below and let me know where you're from. And also let me know what you want to see, what type of videos you want. Do you want long videos? Do you want short videos? Do you want me to try out more things, reviews? And I'll see you in the next video, in the